accretion. The remainder is attributed to past and current radioactive decay of naturally occurring isotopes. For example, a 5,275-meter deep borewell in United Towns Deep Geothermal Power Projected in Cornwall, England, found granite with very high thorium content, whose radioactive decay is believed to power the high temperature of the rock. Natural heat slowly cooling down and geologic time scales. Human extraction taps a minute fraction of the natural outflow, often without accelerating it. According to most official description of geothermal energy use, it is currently called renewable and sustainable because it returns an equal volume of water to the area that the main heat extraction take place, but at a somewhat lower temperature. For instance, the water leaving the around is 300 degrees and the water returning is 200 degrees. The energy obtained is the difference in heat that is extracted. Current research estimate of impact on the heat loss from the earth core are based on a study done up to 2012. Geothermal power is also considered to be sustainable thanks to it power to sustain the Earth's inherent ecosystem by using geothermal source of energy. Present generation of human will not endanger the capability of future generation to use their own resources to the same amount that these energy sources are presently used. Thermal energy India has thermal and geothermal India has potential as per the energy that is said India to thank you everyone.
नेक्स्ट कोण आहे तुझ्या ग्रुप मधला?
Sir, hello sir. Good afternoon all of you. My topic is geothermal heating. Geothermal heating is the direct use of geothermal energy for some heating application. Humans have taken advantage of geothermal heat. Approximately 70 countries made direct use of total of 270 PJ of geothermal heating in 2004. As of 2007, 28 GW of geothermal heating capacity is installed around the world, satisfying 0.07% of global primary energy consumption. Thermal efficiency is high since no energy conversion is needed, but capacity factors tend to be low since the heat is mostly needed in winter. Geothermal energy originates from the heat retained within the earth since original formation of planet from radioactive decay of minerals and from solar energy absorbed at the surface. Most high temperature geothermal heat is harvested in regions close to tectonic plates boundaries where volcanic activity rises close to the surface of the earth. Next topic is explained by Bharti Rathod.
Very good.
My topic.
Next
Hello friends, my topic is Bharti Rathod.
अब कौन बोल रहा
Hello friends, my topic Bharti Rathod.
है? ओके
Hello friends,
Start, sir.
my topic is resources of geothermal energy. The thermal efficiency and probability of electricity generation is particularly sensitive to temperature. The most demanding applications receive the greatest benefit from a high natural heat source. Ideally, from using a hot spring, the next best option is to drill a well into a hot amplifier. If no adequate amplifier is available, an artificial one may the built by injection water to hydraulically fracture the bedrock. The next topic is discussed by Komal.
अरे कॅमेरा आवाज आला? नेक्स्ट कोण आहे? ओके नेक्स्ट ग्रुप पायल मानधन
श्रद्धा
श्रद्धा
हा चला करा सुरू.
श्रद्धा जैन.
Hello everyone, I am Shraddha Jain.
Camera.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajan and next topic in our I'm going to talk about is geothermal energy consumption all over the world. So talking about the geothermal energy consumption all over the world, the first from the US with an installed capacity of 3,639 megavolts in 2018. The US is leading producer of geothermal energy across the world, producing 16.7 billion kilowatt hours of geothermal energy throughout the year. Then comes Indonesia, then Philippines, then New Zealand, then Mexico, Italy, and Iceland. Whereas talking about the geothermal energy consumption in India is that according to GSI, that is Geological Survey of India, has identified 350 geothermal energy locations in the country. The most promising of this is in the Kuga Valley of Ladakh. The estimated potential of geothermal energy in India is about 10,000 megawatt. So this geothermal energy production capacity of India is very high. So it is very convenient to use this geothermal energy at the place of conventional fuels like petrol and diesel. So here I conclude our group discussion. Thank you.
Next group. Payal Mandan, Aishwarya Rao, Mandan Topekar, Mohale Rao.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, myself Aisha Mandan and our topic name is biomass energy. Biomass is the organic matter produce energy. Biomass includes food, agriculture waste and powder. Biomass is another form in which solar energy is manifest itself. This is because all the plants provide biomass to sun energy to grow. Plant absorbs the sun energy through photosynthesis and convert carbon dioxide and water into nutrients. Biomass energy crop, agriculture crop residue, forestry residue, algae, municipal waste and wet waste. Energy from this organism can be transformed into usable energy through direct and indirect means. Biomass can be burned, create heat, converted into the electricity or proceed into biofuel. The next part is explained by Rashmi Mohan. Hello friends, my name is Rashmi Mohan and I will explain identity for biomass energy. Biomass is it is carbon neutral. It less expensive on the biomass so renew source and less damage. It reduces thank you copy explain my
Okay, next.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन माझे डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस आहे बायोमास एनर्जी बद्दलचे. ज्या प्रकारे ऍडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत त्याचप्रमाणे डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस सुद्धा आहे बायोमास एनर्जीचे. जेव्हा बायोमासचं बर्निंग होते त्यावेळी त्याच्यामधून कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड रिलीज होतो. त्यामुळे ह्युमन हेल्थवर आपल्याला अफेक्ट होतो, जसं की डोके दुखणे, चक्कर येणे, मळमळ होणे आणि प्रीमॅच्युअर डेथ अशा प्रकारे हेल्थ इश्यू आपल्याला बर्निंग ऑफ बायोमासमुळे होऊ शकतो. Then burning of biomass for electrical also produce nitrogen oxide like nitrogen dioxide. This cause cancer causing chemical inducing benzene and formaldehyde. And then another disadvantages of biomass energy is the amount of space that it required. A great deal of land and water are needed for the some biomass crop to produce required a large amount of storage and room being converted into energy. These all are the disadvantages of biomass. And then conclusion explained by Aishwarya Rao.
Aishwarya Rao. असेल तर पुढे चला. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. आकाश पेंडेकर, दोन्ही आकाश पेंडेकर, विशाल पेंडेकर, काडे, सुनील बोरसे, कविश्वर भोयर. हॅलो सर. बेंडेकर प्रो आहे का?
गणेश राठोड काय होतं?
सर ते मग माझं ग्रुपचा नंबर झाला सर, माझं नेटवर्क इश्यू होतं सर. ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. आकाश बेंडेकर.
यस सर.
सर बरं. जेवण करायला गेलो होतो का?
काय सर?
हा करा, स्टार्ट करा.
Friends, myself Akash Mendikar. Today we are discuss group discussion on the topic of hydropowers. Hydropowers, also known as the water powers. It is the use of solid or fastly running water to produce electricity for power machine. This is the achievement by converting the gravitational source or kinetic energy into electrical energy. Hydropower is the method of sustainable energy production since ascent from water is the renewable energy source of irrigation in the operation of the device. जनरल मध्ये सांगायचं झालं हायड्रो यूज हायड्रोचा मेन मध्ये चांगल्या हिल टेकड्यावर जाऊन, कारण तो त्याला आवश्यकता असते एका डॅमची. डॅम मध्ये जेवढं पाणी साठेल तर ते फोर्सफुली त्याला फोर्सफुली येतो.
आवाज डिस्कनेक्ट होतोय.
नेटवर्क इश्यू
डिस्कनेक्ट होतोय आवाज. नेटवर्क इश्यू आहे. नेटवर्क इश्यू आहे. आवाज डिस्कनेक्ट होतोय.
तुमच्या ग्रुप मधला नेक्स्ट कोणी असेल तर प्रेझेंट करू शकता.
येस सर. शुभम गाडे. हॅलो सर. शुभम गाडे. Hello friends, my name is Shubham Gade and my topic is let us see some disadvantage of hydropower have been identified. People who lie near a hydro plant site are displaced during construction or when reservoir banks become unstable. Another potential disadvantage is cultural, religious site may block construction. Dams and reservoirs can have major negative impact on river in earth and deep dams and reservoir plants cover large area of land which cause greenhouse emission from underwater sourcing. Vegetation further, although at lower level than renewable energy source, it was found that hydropower produce gas. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Hello friends, my name is Anil Sriram Gudse and my topic of group discussion is hydropower, and we will take the applications of hydropower. It is a clean and non-polluting source of energy. No fuel is required for the hydropower and does not consume water. Dams are constructed near river. As the water level increase, the kinetic energy of water get changed into the potential energy. And applications of hydropower are hydroelectricity is the biggest hydropower application. Electricity generate about 15% of global electricity and provide at least 50% of total electrical supply for more than 35 countries. Hydroelectricity in the river, the dam, the water level of is increase in river or dam. The kinetic energy of water get changed into the potential energy and the energy get produced. Thank you.
Next profile, Ankita Giri. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप आहे अंकिता गिरी, नेहा अग्रवाल, नम्रता राव, साक्षी डोंगरे. हॅलो.
सर आवाज येतोय का क्लिअर?
हो येतोय.
करू स्टार्ट?
हो स्टार्ट कर.
Okay. Good afternoon, friends. So, as we gathered here for the group discussion, and all we know that the theme topic of our group discussion is green energy. So, first of all, I will introduce my group members, Namrata Raut, Sakshi Dongre, Neha Agarwal, and myself. So, we have chosen a very known topic which we have studied from a long time. So, we chose solar energy for today's group discussion. So, first of all, I will tell you or discuss some introductory part of it, some recent application, and how to use it in our day-to-day life. So, first of all, we'll discuss about the definition. We all know it, the energy we are getting from the sun is known as solar energy. सूर्यापासून मिळणारी जी एनर्जी आहे त्याला सोलर एनर्जी आपण म्हणतो. तर there are many two advantages of solar energy which I like the most as compared to the other energy sources. First is solar energy is a renewable source of energy. Renewable source म्हणजे अमर्याद न संपणारा साठा आहे. And the second advantage is that it is free of cost. त्याचे कुठेही आपल्याला पैसे द्यावे लागत नाही, ते फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल असतं. तर these are the two main advantages of solar energy. So this solar energy is trapped in the form of sunlight from the sun, and then it is consumed, and it is used after that for our day-to-day life or in the form of various places like fuels, etc. So I will discuss one recent example of it. So in foreign countries, nowadays in India too, on the roof, on the wings, on the upper side of the wings of the aeroplanes, the solar panels or the solar plates are fitted. So when these solar plates are come in contact with the sunlight, so the sunlight are falling on it, and the sunlight is stored or consumed in the form of power, and thereafter this power is used as fuel in place. That means there is a saving of money happened. And तरी मराठीत सांगते मी समजावून एक्झाम्पल. तर रिसेंटली असं झालंय म्हणजे फॉरेन कंट्रीज मध्ये आणि इंडियामध्ये पण रिसेंट असं होतंय की जे एरोप्लेन्सचे विंग्स असतात त्याच्या वरच्या भागावरती म्हणजे असा भाग की जे सनलाईटच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येतो त्या भागावरती सोलर प्लेट, सोलर पॅनल्स फिट केल्या जातात. आणि जेव्हा सनलाईट त्यावरती पडतो ते सनलाईट ट्रॅप होतात आणि ते सनलाईट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉवरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये ते कन्झ्युम केल्या जाते आणि एनर्जी स्टोअर केल्या जाते आणि त्याचा यूज नंतर ऍज अ फ्युएल म्हणून त्या एरोप्लेन्स मध्ये यूज केला जातो. तर अशा प्रकारे पैशाची बचत त्या एनर्जीमुळे होते. अशा प्रकारे ट्रेनचं सुद्धा आहे एक ऍप्लिकेशन की ट्रेनच्या रूफ वरती अप्पर सरफेस वरती या प्लेट्स लावल्या जातात आणि जेव्हा सनलाईट ट्रॅप होतं तेव्हा ते इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉवर कन्झ्युम केलं जातं आणि त्याचा वापर नंतर ऍज अ फ्युएल म्हणून यूज केला जातो. त्यामुळे पैशाची खूप बचत होते आणि एक रिन्युएबल सोर्सचा चांगला ऍप्लिकेशन सुद्धा होत आहे. तर अशा प्रकारचे काही ऍप्लिकेशन्स आहे. So hope you all understand. So the next part will be presented by Sakshi Dongre. Thank you.
साक्षी डोंगरे.
A warm good afternoon to all of you. Friends, myself Sakshi. So today I am going to discuss about the discovery of the solar energy. So first of all, solar energy is nothing new to us. In ancient period, the medieval men used the solar energy for making the food. They trap the solar energy and they make their food, and by it they can use they can convert the raw food into the edible food which they can use. So today I am going to discuss about what is the modern technology is going to be discovered today. First of all, as I discussed already about the discovery. So main topic is where the first cell is discovered. So the first solar cell was discovered by the Becquerel in the year 1839. And in 1881, the cell was discovered by the Charles some modern technology, and I'm going to share screen. Friends, as first of all, the crystalline silicon. The crystalline silicon is the most used semiconducting material in a solar panel, occupying more than 90% of the global PV market. Although the efficiency is significantly under the theoretical limit, the solar cell made of the alternative low cost and the highly efficiency material are emerging. सगळ्यात आधी सिलिकॉन यूज व्हायचे, पण आता जे न्यू टाईपचे सिलिकॉन आलेले आहे त्यांच्यामुळे काय होते, याची कॉस्ट खूपच कमी आहे आणि इट इज हायली इफिशियंट. तर त्याच्यामुळे आपण कोणी पण याला यूज करू शकतो. आधी अंकिताने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केलेलं आहे की एरोप्लेन पॅनलवर आणि ट्रेन्सवर यूज होते. तसंच आता फार्म मध्ये सुद्धा खूप नेक्स्ट लेवलवर डेव्हलपमेंट झालेली आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे जास्तीत जास्त सोलार एनर्जी ट्रॅक होते आणि याचं कन्व्हर्शन फ्युल मध्ये होते. नंतर द नॅशनल रिन्युएबल एनर्जी लॅबोरेटरी इज ड्रायव्हिंग द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ हायली इफिशियंट क्रिस्टलाइन पीव्ही. एवढं सारं हे डेव्हलप आहे तरी पण त्यांना आणखी सुद्धा डेव्हलपमेंट करायची आहे. सो NREL is going to discuss the next level, the next function of the crystalline PV. This is an example about that. Again, so आता upcoming innovation material जे आहे they already discovered the PN type of silicon, and with the swiftly growing market and the development created application RD on the innovating silicon energy material is at its peaks to the maximum solar to electricity efficiency at the low cost. So सगळ्यात कमीत कमी प्राइस मध्ये जास्तीत जास्त डेव्हलपमेंट करायची आहे. आणि आता तसं पण गव्हर्नमेंट आपल्याला सांगतच आहे की आपण आपल्या घरी सोलर पॅनल लावायलाच हवे. त्याच्यामुळे आपण मॅक्सिमम पैशाची बचत करू शकतो. So thank you, and the next topic is going to Neha Pawar.
Very good. माहिती याच्यातून आणखी बरीचशी आहे. अलीकडं ते फॉरेन मध्ये आणखीन एक याच्यात डेव्हलपमेंट झालेली आहे. सो वॉलला आपल्या घरच्या बाहेरच्या भिंतीला जर पेंट जर केलं त्याचा सोलार एनर्जी मध्ये ते स्टोर करता येतं. त्याचा नवीन आहे. ठीक आहे, नेक्स्ट.
Hello everyone, my topic is solar power in India. For fast developing industry as a part of renewable energy in India, the country's solar installed capacity was 40.09 GW as of March 31, 2021. The Indian government had initiated 20 or 20 was achieved. 2015, the target was raised to 100 GW of solar capacity. The target is an investment of $100 billion. The India has established solar parks. solar power provide the green job when solar panel connected to moving the part and help to produce the no sweat. Thank you, sir.
या ग्रुपने बरंच चांगली माहिती दिलेली आहे. नेक्स्ट ग्रुपने याच्यापेक्षा चांगली माहिती द्यायचा प्रयत्न करा. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप आहे अंजली डोरे, नजमुल साहेब, आलिबा अंजू, अल्फिया आराम.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Anjali Dore from BSc third year. I'm from Yashwantrao Chauhan. We are gathered to hear from discussion, and our topic is green energy. My friends, to help me for discussion, are Najmul Sahar, Adiba Anju, Alfia Anam. We are discuss about the wind energy. Friends, you know about the wind energy. Okay? Wind energy is mainly to generate electricity. Wind energy is mainly used to generate electricity. Wind is called as renewable sources. This is called as a renewable sources also. Source because the wind blow as long as sunshine. The more details about the wind energy. Can you explain me, Sahar, details about the wind energy?
Yes, the wind energy describes the process by which wind is used to generate electricity. By rotating propeller-like blades around a rotor, wind is simple air in motion. It is caused by uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. Since the Earth's surface is made up of very different type of land, water, etc., it is also known as renewable energy because the wind will blow as long as the sun shines. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. Anjali, do you know the history of wind energy? Please tell me something about it.
Yes, why not? The history of wind energy is rarely described. The first power electricity generated in wind turbine was a vertical axis. A wind turbine designed in 1887 by the Scottish professor James Blackie in Clovis, Scotland. The word firstly described wind from consisted to 20 wind turbines rating to 30 kilowatt each were installed by Southern in USA in 1980. Can you explain, Adiba, what is about the type of wind energy?
Yes, I know. There is two types, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal axis, wind machine, it have blades like airplane propellers. A typical horizontal wind machine stands as tall as a 20-story building and has three blades that spin two. In the world have blades longer than a football field. Wind machine is Yes, I know. Vertical axis wind make against two-bladed equators. The type of vertical wind machines typically stand 100 feet tall and 50 feet wide. Vertical axis wind machine make up only a very small percent of the wind machines used today. Sahel, have you any information of wind power plant? Yes, of course. Wind power plant or wind farm, as they are sometimes called, are cluster of wind machine used to produce electricity. A wind farm usually has dozens of wind machines scattered over a large area. The world's largest wind farm, the Hollow Wind Energy Center in Texas, has 421 wind turbines that generate enough electricity to 220,000 homes per day. Operating a wind power plant is not simple, as just building a windmill in a windy place. Wind varies throughout the country. It also varies from season to season. Anjali, do you know some information about wind production?
Yes, of course. The wine production is rarely wine production. New technology have decreased the cost of production. Obtaining the form of energy growth is wine process. This will be encouraged by the breaks for a month and a year. Energy and green processing for program. Wine mechanism generate definitely in 28 different states. In 2006, the state with the most
In the 1970s, oil shortage put the development of alternative energy source. In the 1990s, push come from the renewed concern the environment in response to scientific studies indicating potential change to the global climate. If the use of fossil fuel continue to increase, wind energy is a economical power resource in many area of the country. The most serious environment of the drawback to wind machines be the negative effect on the wild bird population and the visual impact on the landscape to some the glistening blades on the windmills to the horizon and the R and aerosol other. They are a beautiful alternative to the conventional power plant. Thank you. I am greatly thankful to all of you for hearing and listening to my group discussion carefully. And I am also thankful to teacher and giving and great support.
तुमच्या ग्रुपला एक क्वेश्चन आहे ते व्हर्टिकल किंवा हॉरिझॉन्टल रोटेशन आहे विंड पॉवरचं विंड एनर्जी एक रोटेशन मध्ये किती असं रोटेशन असतं किंवा असं रोटेशन असतं पण ते रोटेशन एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट एअर सिस्टीम आहे त्याच्यामध्ये किती रोटेशन आतमधले जे डायनामो आहे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करणारा त्याला किती रोटेशन पाहिजे
30 to 40%.
30 to 40
Percent.
30 या 400 inside atm या ऐसा रोटेशन करता है या ऐसा रोटेशन एक रोटेशन में अंदर का जो टायर में कितनी बार घूमना चाहिए
So vertical wind.
वर्टिकल हो या दोनों में से कौन सा है जो डायनामो रहता है रोटेशन कितना होना है एक ऐसा रोटेशन के बाद आप रोटेशन 3.20 इसके बीच में चल रहा तो सफिशिएंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है ओके
Yes, sir.
वैष्णवी भक्तांनी तुझ्या कांडे मीनाक्षी पवार प्रतीक्षा ठाकरे अन्वी भोयर कोण आहे याच्यामधला वैष्णवी कॅमेरा
अच्छा अच्छा चालेल.
स्टार्ट कर
म्हटलं की आपल्याला असं सेक्रेट गरज नाही कारण की आपण जीवनामध्ये खूप यूज केलं त्यांना वीज परवडत नाही शेतीच्या कामासाठी
आवाज येत नाही
सर मग मी कॅमेरा बंद
नेटवर्क आहे का
कॅमेरा बंद करून सांगितलं चालेल मग नेटचा
हो चालेल
सर सुरुवातीपासून सांगू का Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Sanjay Bhartane and today's our group discussion topic is green energy. ग्रीन एनर्जी म्हटलं की काही असं स्पेशल सांगायची गरज नाही कारण की आपण जे दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये यूज करतो तेच ग्रीन एनर्जी आहे. ग्रीन एनर्जी इज द एनर्जी which does not pollute the environment and it is renewable in the nature. The energy source such as the sunlight, wind, rain, etc. can be called as a green energy. आता जसं की आपण शेतामध्ये जर रोडवरून गेलो तर एखाद्या शेतामध्ये सोलर प्लेट दिसतात, तर ते सोलर प्लेट ते एक ग्रीन एनर्जीचाच पार्ट आहे, कारण की शेतकऱ्याला हे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी परवडत नाही, म्हणून ते सोलर प्लेटच्या माध्यमातून इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तयार करतात आणि आपल्या विहिरीमधलं बोरवेल मधलं पाणी बाहेर काढतात आणि शेतीच्या कामाला लागतात. ग्रीन एनर्जी इज गॉट इट्स नेम बिकॉज इट कम्स फ्रॉम नेचर, रिसोर्स प्रोव्हाइड टू बाय द अर्थ. आपल्याला हे अर्थ पासून मिळालेलं एक रिसोर्स आहे आणि विशेष म्हणजे याचा आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंटला काही इफेक्ट होत नाही. ग्रीन एनर्जी इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द एन्व्हायरमेंट as it replace the negative effect of fossil fuel with more environmentally friendly alternatives. Energy is so important in our daily lives because it is a basic human needs. आणि ग्रीन एनर्जीचे हे 6 टाइप्स पडतात. त्यापैकी पहिला जो टाइप आहे सोलर एनर्जी, इट एक्सप्लेन बाय ऋतुजा इंगुले.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rutuja Vishnu Irvole, and first topic is the solar energy. This is a common renewable energy source is usually produced using the photovoltaic cell that captures sunlight and turn it into the electricity. The solar energy is also used to heat buildings and water as well as the cooking and lighting. It is the pollution-free energy. The advantages of the solar energy. Renewable energy source among all the benefits of the solar planet. The most important thing is that the solar energy is truly renewable energy. It's reduce the electricity bill, technology development, low maintenance. Thank you. And second type is explained.
Provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electrical power. Wind power is popular for sustainable or renewable energy source that has much smaller impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Wind turbines convert the energy into wind to electricity by rotating